Good morning, students. Today we are learn here our fourth lesson, disaster management. First of all, you can see here some pictures. Yes, these pictures are shown here. Which type of disaster is that? Now, first one picture is of falling the building. Means this is a because of earthquake. Second one picture is a drought or famine. Third one is a heavy rainfall or flood. Fourth one is a burning forest or house, means a burning or fire. Then fifth one is a very storm in a sea and areas, stormy area part is there. And next one is a volcanic eruptions. Now we have to just remember or what disaster. Today we are facing a lot of problem of what? Lot of problem about corona. Corona is also declared our government disaster problem. Now we have to just check here disaster. If you check here, here are some information. In 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Killari in Latur district. This is in Maharashtra. In 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at a Killari in Maharashtra. Even today, people Mumbai shudder at a memory July 2005. July 2005, when many people had lost their life due of heavy rainfall. July 2005 is a heavy rainfall at there. Now, in July 2014, is there the whole village of Malin, in Ambegaon. You know that Ambegaon in Pune district, Ambegaon is there. The 13 July 2014, the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon Taluka, Pune district, destroyed in a matter of minutes due to a landslide. You know the landslide? Landslide means totally landslide on that village. Many got buried under the heaps of soil and stone and lost their lives. Just like that, in November 2015, many people died due to the flood caused by heavy rain in Tamil Nadu. In that Tamil Nadu, very heavy rain is there, and because of that, lots of people died in that flood. But you know that this is the written information. After that, in the last year, if you remember, at a Badlapur railway station, one train is standing there because heavy rain at that Badlapur, and therefore Kolhapur, Badlapur, at a Badlapur railway station, one train is standing over there continuously because of heavy rainfall. This train cannot go back and front also, and this is also called at that there. This is also called disaster or heavy rainfall, but at that point there were no died in that incident, and that time also is called disaster. What is a disaster? It's a simple definition in there: a sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation or society is called disaster. Now, and why do the following disaster occurs? Now you know that disaster is happen, but why and how it's happened? First of all, floods due to heavy rain. Floods is always happening in some areas. Now, if you remember, Kolhapur, Sangli, not Satara, but Kolhapur and Sangli always facing the problem of floods due to heavy rains in that area. An earthquake is a light earthquake. An earthquake, you know that earthquake is only Killari, not a Killari having earthquake, but lot of places having a earthquake. Lightning, if you remember, This year, before 2 or 3 months, lightning problem is there, and lots of people died because of lightning. And volcanic eruption is not happen in our open spaces, but in our knowing area. But volcanic eruption is also called a disaster. Now, forest fires. You know that forest fires in Jharkhand, near to the Delhi, there is a forest fire incidence is there, and because of that, lots of animals and our forest wealth is a loss in that disaster. Therefore, this is also one type of disaster. Now, increased risk due to high density of population in limited area like Mumbai, Pune, Thane. This is a increased risk. High density population. High density population means there is a lot of people in a limited area. Now, rampant and irregular constructions. If you check the constructions in Mumbai, Thane, and New Mumbai, constructions are there. Lot of construction that's rampant and irregular. They are irregular means they are not having proper way to building and anything. Therefore, this is also called disaster. Then ecological imbalance means you are cutting the trees and making a lots of changes in the ecology or everything. That is the imbalance of ecology. Terrorism, riots and crimes resulting in bomb explosions, assaults, fire and accidents, that is also called disaster. Now disaster are mainly two types. One is a man-made and another is a natural. Now above there are some disasters are there. Flood is a heavy rain means this is a natural. This is a natural. And earthquake, lightning and volcanic eruption is a natural. Forest fires is also, it can be a natural or it can be a man-made also. Increased risk due to the high density, it's totally man-made. It's totally man-made. Rampant and irregular construction. Rampant and irregular construction is 100% man-made. Ecological imbalance is a man-made, and terrorism, crimes, these are also man-made disaster. Now we have to learn one by one here some disasters. Earthquake. What is the meaning of earthquake? Movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amount of energy. This causes seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface like a tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. If you check this picture, this is a road and this road having some cracking. This is called earthquake. Now, such a vibration or a quaking in a earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is believed that besides other causes, man-made causes like mining and construction, big dams. Now man-made causes are there. For that, earthquake is a mining and construction of big dams can also a earthquake. You know that there are some earthquake effects also there. Destruction of infrastructure, that is building, bridges, roads, railways, tracks, etc. And changes in direction of flows of rivers. When the earthquake is happen, that time changes in direction of earth of rivers and huge loss of life and property. And earthquake is always happen in Maharashtra. In some areas are very low, and in Japan is always having this type of problem of earthquake. Now flood. A frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is a flood. A frequently occurred natural disaster in all parts of the world is a floods. Remember these things. Due to the excessive rain in the same place, due to the excessive rains in a same place, a river overflows its bank causing a flood. The water drainage system in a big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall. If you remember, before 2 3 days in our Mumbai also heavy rainfall, and because of that we are feeling floods it at there. Okay, now the water drainage system in a big cities like gutter system and everything falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in a choking of gutters and drainage lines. Choking means what? These are because of plastics and some another throwing material. uh, because of that these are choking, and this because of choking the floods is always happen in the cities. Water overflows on the roads and surrounding areas and even enters nearby houses. If you check, this is always happen in some areas because of flood and because of water choking and not a proper way of a drainage system. What is the effects of flood? Now, effects of floods is a very high. First of all, huge loss to life and property. You know that effect of flood is mainly what? Lots of people they can't swim. Therefore, they first of all loss of life, and after that property. Then soil erosion. Because of this flood, soil is always moving that flood, and this soil erosion is very effective on that area. Now, destruction of standing crops. Now, in the villages, there are lots of crops are there, and when the flow of water is very high, that time this is destruct these standing crops. This is a effect of flood. Then after effect of flood, like a spread of diseases and epidemics affecting the health of the people. After that flood, diseases are spreading over there. Epidemic effect on the health of that area's people. Now storms. You know that storms before 3 to some days, if you remember, Mumbai is having a problem, or near to the Mumbai, Alibag, Nashik, Thane, Nisarga Vadar. They give the name of the storm is Nisarga Chakravadar. Just like that, storms. What is the storm? The formation of high and low pressure belts in atmosphere causes changes in weather, resulting in winds or storms. Effect of storms. Great damage in the storm affect region. Tremendous losses to life and property. Disruption of electric supply. Disruption of transport and communication. If you remember, great damage in the storms of affected region near to the Konkan or Alibag. Tremendous losses of life and property. Life and property is property. Property is very high damages, and disruption of electric supply. If you check before 1 month or 15 days, there is a disruption, totally disruption. They are totally in a dark area, living from 1 or 2 months because of this storms effect. And disruption of transport and communication also. If you there is no electric supply, they cannot make the communication, because charging problem and every problem without electricity is everywhere is a problem. And transport also disturbed because of storms. Okay, now forest fire. Main part here, forest fire. You know that you are awareness, you don't know about the forest fire, but forest fire is the biggest disaster. A forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pasture or grassland due to the natural or man-made causes. Forest fire spreads at a tremendous speed. When I am starting the lesson, that time I am telling you it's a natural or man-made. Natural means in a naturally very high temperature is there, and some two plants they rub on each other, that type this can be happen. But man-made means what? Some man's going to the visit in this forest, and they get some misbehave, like they smoking there, they making some parties, and they just making some food, and just they keep their ash as it is, or some fire as it is, and because of that this forest fire or burning of total forest is happen at time. Therefore it's also a man-made. That's why I call it's a man-made or natural. Now what is the effect? Yeah, it's a lots of effect on our
Flames sweep across the ground
nature.
as fast as a
Great
man can
damage of
run
natural
and
wealth.
reach 200
Great
feet
damage
into
of
the
natural
air.
wealth and biodiversity. Biodiversity means what? Lots of animals, lots of plants, everything is burned in that fire. Therefore, great damage of natural wealth. And pollution of air, it's a main damage. Pollution of air.
This is about as
Whatever,
close as a
anything
helicopter can get.
anything is burned, that time they emit some carbon dioxide and some another gases released in the air, and because
Fires
of
of
that pollution of
2011
air is always
destroyed 1.5
happen.
million
That's why
acres of
just
pine forest.
we have to take care in the forest
Fire
area.
is beneficial
Okay?
in the long
Now,
run.
disaster
The forest
management.
will recover.
Community participation and disaster management are closely related. Taking the steps to prevent disasters, making up plans to face disasters, and developing the capacity for that is called disaster management. Now, if you remember, before starting lesson, I am asking some about coronavirus. It's also declared as like a disaster. What is the disaster planning? Now, what is the disaster of corona? When corona is having a lots of people's affected, that time they have to admit it in some area. Therefore in Mumbai and New Mumbai they developed some areas for this disaster. To prevent or reduce damage caused by natural or man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is required. Now therefore institutes at work. The National Disaster Management Authority was established in 2005. It undertakes planning and implementation of disaster management work. You have to remember some numbers. Police. Everyone know the number of police 100. When you dial it emergency number, there is no need to by heart the number, or no need to balance in your mobile. You can dial directly from anywhere 100 number. Its nearest police station or nearest van will come within a 5 to 10 minutes. That's the emergency contact number. After that, fire brigade. When you see at your nearest place there is any fire at there, you can call one number 102. If any emergency is there, you just call ambulance for that help. And then next one, nowadays it's a very important disaster management cell. It's 108. Disaster management means anything happen in your area, you can call them disaster management. Thank you. Remaining part we learn in a next time.